Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel, and it's me Vijay Kevin, and today's video it's on login, and it's on how you guys can log in into HBO Max. So before logging into HBO Max is a subscription channel basically like Netflix, which is available in USA. So basically to log in into it, you can download this app called HBO Max from your Play Store or App Store. But if you guys want to log in from online, then basically you can go to hbomax.com if you guys want to log in online. But if you guys want to log in from mobile, you can download this app, and after downloading this app you want to open it. Now before moving forward from here, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's get right into the video. So the first step is once you come over here by opening the app, you want to click on sign in. Now remember, if you guys are also in website, you want to click on the sign in button in website, alright? So you want to click on the sign in button even if you are in the website or you are in the app version. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to its sign in page if you're on the website and if you're in the app. Once you're over here, you want to enter the email of your HBO Max account and the password of your HBO Max account and click on sign in. And if the email and password of your account is correct, then you should be able to sign in into your account. But let's say for some reason you forgot the password of your HBO Max account. You don't need to worry about it. There's a forget password button over here. You can click on it and you can renew your password. Alright, so just keep that in mind. If you forget a password, there's also another option to recover your account. And if you guys do not have an account and you want to create your account, you can just click on sign up and you should be able to sign up into HBO Max. So that's basically how you guys can log in into HBO Max. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day. And yeah, you can also click on sign in with a provider if you guys want to sign up with a provider. Alright, there's this option as well. I forgot to tell you in the video, but right now I'm telling it. So have a nice day.